I did want to make a quick video about the Rams, like '09 and up, with the ticking noise when coasting from 30 to a zero stop. There's a ticking noise in the front of the engine. You can hear it with the windows down, or when there's cars beside the vehicle. What I found out after research is it's pointed at the timing. What I did is replace the cam phaser, timing chain guides, and that solved the issue on it. I will show you guys the timing on it, and hopefully it'll help when you do your own. I'll show you a little bit of how to time it, what to do, what not to do. Here's the timing, this is the tensioner here, and the guide here, which the guide has been revised. It's a metal guide. Neither one of these were damaged, but what I think happened is the cam phaser was starting to go out because it sounded like a 5.4 liter Ford. There is a timing mark right here. As you can see, when you line this up on top dead center, that mark in the middle, you'll put these two marks on the chain over it, run it on down. This right here will be at the 2 o'clock position, and there's a mark down here that will be at the 6 o'clock position. There's a mark there, which that'll line up. You'll put the chain on, make sure it's tight on this side with the timing guide, and looser on this side for the tensioner. And once that's all lined up, you'll pop the pin out. This will go forward and tighten the chain up like so. There's a few things you don't want to do. Is use the tool incorrectly to take off the crank pulley or harmonic balancer. Excuse me. You don't want to put it on the outside. That tool is designed to go in the middle here and grab these 3 points, and it'll pull off. You can't get a screwdriver behind this thing and pull it off. It is press fitted on. It doesn't matter how you put that on, it's only going to go on one way because it doesn't have to keep. Also, when you get the timing cover off, the water pump does not have to come off. There's a few bolts, probably I think about 8 or 9 bolts that hold the timing cover on. They're longer than the rest of the water pump bolts. These slots here for the oil pump. A lot of people can sneak the oil pump feed tube bolt out, which would be right here. What I did is I loosened the oil pan. I didn't drop it all the way down. I just loosened it where it fell down about a 1/2 inch, and I was able to get to that feed tube bolt and get it back in without it falling into the oil pan, and then you had to fish it out. But yeah, I think what the major issue was is the cam phaser itself, because there's no signs of damage here. I mean, that just looks like regular chain wear, and there's no damage here. So I can say for a fact that after doing this, it did take care of the noise. If you have any questions or anything to add to this, just leave it in the comments. And if you guys need help on whatnot on it, I will do my best to assist. Thanks.